another bridge further along.
All right.
Yeah,
We're going to take you back up onto the track.
All right. I'm game.
Is it a good track?
What could possibly go wrong?
I mean, like it's not there.
What could possibly go wrong? He said. What could
Whatever does go wrong will be on film.
What could possibly go wrong? I like that saying.
We use that one at work. We might be working for Teddy. What could possibly go wrong? Couldn't get the guy to get back up. Yeah, that's a bit unfortunate, that wasn't it?
Oh, yeah, well.
So what did you end up doing?
When I got off the rails, we went around to the supermarket.
Yeah.
Jane went back and got my car and come and pick me up.
Right, okay.
You go and have a coffee with them?
No, we had to take
Hey. So
fall in the river, did they?
we'll regroup again at the swimming pool.
Are we swimming?
Optional.
Yeah, I'll decline the option, thanks.
Where's Pammy? Here's Pammy. Okay, we're back on the track. Okay, how you going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Walk up the hill, but that's all right.
Right. Well,
Haven't
Head-
quite
head up-
mastered the other gear on
head
the
up
other
the
side.
track. We'll regroup again up at the swimming pool.
You're up in about 10 minutes. Gee, God, well, these are good. We don't want to have to get the whole one of the place.
Little tricks. Little tricks.
Still cost us $30, nice little one like this.
In that train line there, right? You hear the one about the bloke who's...
Hello.
Excuse me, bud. Thank you.
Alright, stay there.
You don't mind where he is as long as he stays there. Past the building a few times, I don't think that's what it was. No. You see, Carolyn's got to be a good idea. The only answer I couldn't come up with was why.
Oh, they did it at the basin too.
Yeah, I know.
How you
But
going?
they were raising
yeah.
money.
Were they?
Out of condition, you know.
Going to go down over Sawdust
Yeah.
Bridge now.
Oh, the moon or something.
Okay.
Bye.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
There's a few more bikes coming.
This topic.
Morning. What is the meaning of this, Rod? Bloody uphill.
Oh, what's it? There's a bottom road. We're nearly onto the flat bit. Keep an eye out over here. This is where a lot of your vegetables come from here.
Oh, okay.
Is that chin flop?
I think, I don't know.
Vegetable place at night, there's nothing. There's the only one we've got.
They can move all the trays along on those rails.
Yeah.
On the GoPro?
Yeah, yeah, we can go for a walk first.
Yeah, walk once we started here, we finished at Old.